Alright, hi everyone, and welcome to this video. My name is Saumil Shah, and I'm a full stack Python developer. Now, in this video, I thought of sharing my knowledge with you. So, whom are the people who I follow on YouTube to learn Python? Now, because since I'm at a stage, I pretty much have done almost everything in Python. Talking about the GUI framework, I did TK, Inter, PyQt, Kiwi, web framework, Flask, Django. I did web scraping, Selenium, machine learning, that is TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, Pandas, and even Matplotlib, Seaborn, and stuff like that. Now, how can I even develop my skills even further? Who are the people who I follow on YouTube, and even you should follow them because these guys are just amazing. So this will help you to even understand the concepts of Python in more detail. So let's get started. So the first person I would highly recommend. I mean, this is he is kind of like a godfather of Python. That's what I have to say. I mean, I might be exaggerating this, but trust me, this guy is just amazing. His name is basically David Beasley. It's David, David space Beazley. This guy is just amazing for Python. I mean, he has. If you go to his channel, all of his videos are about 3 hours each. He has been part of each PyCon videos. On every PyCon session, he's always there. PyCon Europe, PyCon USA, PyCon India as well. He was there in India last year in Chennai. So this guy is just amazing. I would highly recommend to watch his videos because the watching his videos would really help you to understand Python even in more detail, how a class are constructed, how what is meta classes, what are descriptors, and stuff like that. So I would highly recommend to watch his videos. Then after that, there is a guy on the YouTube called Sentex. He's good, I would say, for Python. Now he's into machine learning, but I used to watch a lot of his video or when I was a beginner to learn Python, right? And another guy named Corey Schrefer, he's also a very good YouTuber. He make very good contents on Python, so I really like it. Pretty Printed, that is also another guy who makes web basically tutorials like Flask and Django. So these are some of the people whom I used to follow. Now, a couple of things that I want to like share you. Basically, so if you want to be really good at it, I would highly recommend not just watch the video. When you are watching the video, simultaneously code it, because only watching won't help you. When you actually code it, you will understand the syntax, and I mean, what point are you like making mistakes? It will really help you a lot. So would highly encourage you to type it. I would highly encourage everyone to start with data structures and algorithm. Now this might sound a little like boring to you, like who does data structure? But trust me, guys, if you do not know data structure, I mean, you are not an efficient programmer, because in whenever you're designing a software, you need to see what design pattern we'll use, how the class are inherited, what design pattern should be used, what data structure should be used, how can I optimize my code, what algorithm should be used. If I'm doing a sorting, should I use merge sort, heap sort, bubble sort? Of course, no, bubble sort is the worst. Then if I want to do search algorithm, so what I'll do a binary search, a binary search algorithm. That's like an efficient one. And data structure, learn about linear data structures, non-linear data structures. Linears are stack, deck, queue. Learn problems on that, solve questions on that. Non-linear binary trees and stuff like that, recursion. So if you do all this stuff, this will really make your fundamental concepts very strong, and you would eventually become a very good programmer. I would also highly recommend, whenever you're doing any kind of a project or a small program, do it with full dedication. Make sure you're using everything like class, inheritance, meta classes, data structures, so that this way you will develop a very good foundation. And as I said, there are a ton of materials on internet to help you out. All you have to do is sit inside a room, go to Google, and just type whatever you want to learn. I mean, if a person like me can do it, why can't you do it? I was a person from electrical background, never did programming in my entire life. If I can make it, you can of course make it. You are more smarter than me. I mean, that's what it is. I mean, that's what I want to tell you. Don't give up on things easily. If you are having error issue, okay, read the error, what it says. If you still don't understand, post it on Stack Overflow. So this is how you will develop your skills gradually. I would highly also recommend to go on HackerRank and LeetCode and CodeChef. Go and practice coding to talk coding there. There are so many problems. So solve those problems, at least 5 problems in a day. So that's my recommendation from my side. Whenever you're writing code, give proper comments, give proper spacing. Between two functions, there should be two lines of space, and something like that. Follow page spacing. So these are some of the stuff that I would recommend you to become a very good programmer. That's it for this tutorial. I guess if you have any more question, please feel free to ask me questions. I'm very happy to assist you and guide you if you have any problems, or if you're stuck on anything. I personally cannot help you in your projects because I am myself stuck in a lot of stuff. I have studies, I have work, I have a lot of things to do. But in spite of in my free time, that's on Saturdays or Sunday, I try to make contents for you guys. So I hope you guys appreciate that. And if you have any more questions, reach me out on Facebook, LinkedIn, my website, anything. And you can ask me. I'll definitely guide you out, or if I know something, I'll tell you that this is how it has to be done. Um, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Once again, thank you for watching my videos and contents. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep coding Python. That's it for this video.